If you've ever been to Provence, you would have tried a dish called Anchois. It is a combination of really good quality anchovies, garlic, and the best quality extra virgin olive oil. This is the most delicious thing to have in summer with lots of crudité. And when we say crudité, I mean you can have carrots, radish, beautiful beans, and I'm going to serve mine with some buffalo mozzarella too. Now for the Anchois, you're going to need a mortar and pestle, and into the mortar and pestle goes 1 clove of garlic, a pinch of salt, and that's going to be abrasive. So it's going to help break down that garlic, make it slightly milder, and it's also going to get it quite sticky. I don't want that harshness of the garlic. So give that a bash and just keep mixing and pounding away until it becomes quite sticky. See, that's what we're after, so it becomes quite smooth and it smells great. Now for the anchovies. Don't use those small little anchovies. Get the best quality you can find. These are Ortiz ones, and you can tell that they're good quality because they're quite large and plump. They are the ones you want for this because you will taste the difference. So we'll just break in a few. I love anchovies. They're just so delicious. And again, we're just going to pound this until it's quite smooth. And now that that has combined, just like that, we can start slowly adding in some extra virgin olive oil. Now this is good quality extra virgin olive oil, and you know it's good quality extra virgin olive oil because it's been picked and pressed within 4 to 6 hours. So by doing that, we get the true essence and flavour of it. This robust variety has lovely peppery notes to it. It's grassy, it's slightly piquant. It's perfect for a dip like this where you do want to show off the characteristics of the olive oil. Okay, you can see that it's starting to combine. There's little speckles of the anchovy through it. That's totally fine. And then we need a bit of acidity in here. So you could add some lemon, or my family in France, they always add some red wine vinegar. So a splash of red wine vinegar, and then now give it a really good mix. Okay, Anchois is complete. I'll just simply blanch my beans. These beans have just been topped and I've left the tail on them for presentation purposes. Rapidly boiling water, pinch of salt, and in they go. And when we say blanch, that term means you want to pop them in the water. You'll see that it's stopped boiling. As soon as it comes back up to the boil, you know that they're ready. I don't want to overcook this. I want a slight crunch with the beans. And to stop that cooking process, some icy water. So once that happens, I'm going to be on standby. We'll take them out and chill them. All right, this has come back to the boil, so we'll take them out and halt that cooking process straight away. There's so many other different crudité you can have with this. Crudité is just lots of little bits and pieces to go with our Anchois. All right, we'll just pop that in, submerge it, pop some ice on top of it. And while that's chilling, I'll just start to prep the plate. Grab a big spoon and we'll just add that to a lovely pink bowl for this. Actually, let's just pour it all in. Some mozzarella. And I'll just grab a knife here and just cut it into chunky rounds. Mozzarella, I know, goes so well with extra virgin olive oil and the anchovies, and that's why I've chosen it to place on my platter. These are French radish, and you can tell that they're French radish because it starts white and then goes into a red colour. I love them for their pepperiness, and we'll just let them sort of fall on the plate just like so. And then our beans. Drain them from that water and we'll pop them just beside the buffalo mozzarella. Doesn't that look fantastic? Next time your mates come around, forget about the store-bought dip and crackers. Why don't you give them a taste of Provence with this Anchois?